1,
2,
3, let's go!
Woke up in your new apartment in your twin-sized bed. Coffee started, don't remember much. All I know is that you talk too much. Time to go. Ba-ba-dum, ba-ba-dum, ba-dum, ba-da-ba-bum, ba-ba-dum. You've got those big blue eyes, drive me crazy, make me fantasize about you, baby. And you smell so sweet, like fresh picked daisies. Call me Dahmer, 'cause your heart's so tasty. Ba-ba-dum, ba-ba-dum, ba-dum, ba-da-ba-bum, ba-ba-dum. And I watched you break like glass you shattered. I said it's my mistake, I make things harder. So I tried my best to shut my mouth, but all the thoughts I hid dug their way out. Ba-ba-dum, ba-ba-dum, ba-dum, ba-da-ba-bum, ba-ba-dum. Said you can't trust me, I said it's fine, because I'm not happy till I tell a lie. Now my bedsheets smell like your cologne, and in our separate worlds we sleep alone. Ba-ba-dum, ba-ba-dum, ba-dum, ba-da-ba-dum, da-da-dum, ba-da-ba-da-ba-bum, ba-ba-dum, ba-dum, ba-da-ba-bum, ba-ba-dum.
Ultimately, I don't understand a thing. I try to do the best I can. I know you try to do the same. We're just so bound to make mistakes. You could call it a disposition. I apologize for all your tears. I wish I could be different, but I'm still growing up into the one you can call your love. I don't know if I'll ever be enough. I'm throwing in my chips, I guess I tend to push my luck. And ultimately I believe we'll be okay. It's so cliche to say these things, but repetition is a key. I think I'm better when I'm with you, but I worry when you're gone. I think I need to learn to love myself. I must learn to be strong. So for now we'll say goodbye. Although it pains me in my heart, your words, they come to me in memories. They sing to me like songs. It won't be long until I'm here. Soon I'll make my arrival under shady trees, a quiet street, the roads that I have traveled. Ultimately it's a beautiful thing, like flowers blooming in a lonely field. The petals drift through crossing winds that find their way to river streams that scent the water beautifully. It takes me back to you, it takes me back to you. think about a life, one that I would live with you. I used to think about the moments and all the things that we would do. But now I've grown a little more, and I can tell what's real and fake. Oh, you've changed quite a lot. I can see why we needed to break. 'Cause I don't love you anymore. I'm sorry, I'm not that sorry. 'Cause you kinda treated me like shit. I hope you're sorry, you better be sorry. Ooh. Ba-da-da-dum-bum, ba-da-da-dum-bum, you better be sorry. Ooh. Ba-da-da-dum-bum, bum, ba-da-da-dum-bum, bum, bum. You've tried to play your card again, but it's been one too many times. I gave you a second chance, but by the fifth it was a crime. And it was partially my fault for thinking that you'd actually care. I guess I wanted to believe that maybe love was in the air. But now I know that I don't love you anymore. I'm sorry, I'm not that sorry. 'Cause you kinda treated me like shit. Tried to cheat with some other girl. How's that supposed to make me feel? But I hope you know that I wish the best for you. I know deep down you're a good guy, but I was so tired of all the lies. Maybe one day you'll figure it out, oh, but don't come crawling back, because this time I won't crack. 'Cause I don't love you anymore. I'm sorry, I'm not that sorry. 'Cause you honestly treated me like shit, and I hope you feel sorry. Hope you feel kinda sorry. 'Cause I don't love you anymore. I'm sorry, I'm not that sorry. 'Cause you kinda treated me like shit. I hope you feel sorry. You better feel kinda sorry. Wow. I walked into the room and then I saw your face. You looked me in the eye and then I wanted to erase myself. Erase myself. I didn't want to fall, but then I stepped right in. I looked down at the ground and then I felt it right within. It was too late for me. Too late for her. You took a step forward and tilted your head. With a curious glance you stared and I felt dead. Oh my God, I think I'm dying. You said hey and I said hello. What's your name? I'd really like to know about you. Too bad I stopped at hello. I just stared and you grinned and looked right back. It felt like just one big whirlwind. One big emotional whirlwind. Over the next few days we got to talking. With every single word I started falling farther, farther and farther for you. You were so witty and so charming, swept me off my feet. You made me laugh, you made me blush, no one could compete. No one could compete. It seemed too good to be true. Too good to be true. I wanted to be with you. Only with you. We clicked like Legos or the clacking of tap shoes. You said hey, I said hello. How was your day? You said better now with a smile. Oh, what a cliche, but to be honest, it made my day. I didn't want to fall, but then
I stepped right in. I looked up at your face and those eyes, they drew me in. It was too late for me, and that's what we were, a simple cliche. It wasn't made to work, but I wouldn't have it any other way. Any other way. You were so witty and so charming, swept me off my feet. You made me laugh, you made me blush, and no one could compete. No one could compete. It seemed too good to be true. I wanted to be with you. We clicked like Legos, or the clacking of tap shoes. You said, hey, I said, hello, I gotta know, do you feel this way? You said, yeah, I do. But I was scared of what you might say, and that's all we were, a silly cliche. I still think you're cute, but maybe it's better this way. Ba-da-da-dum, ba-da-da-dum, ba-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-dum, ba-da-da-dum-bum. That's okay, we're just a little cliche, a little cliche, but that's okay.
I didn't ask for much, I just wanted to feel your touch. When your eyes met mine, I used to feel butterflies inside. We watched the sunset and watched the clouds slowly pass us by. But you didn't love me, so you chose to say goodbye. But it's okay, I will be okay. You will never mind, though I thought we were fine. I guess I was just the first one in line. So you moved on to break some other girl's heart, and the pain you left me sinking in is now just fake scars. I'm okay, yes, I'm okay. It took some time to heal, it took some time to feel again, but I made it through, and I realized that I don't need you. But do you have any scars? Have you broken enough hearts?